Killing that son of a bitch for Jan was a good fucking start. Time to finish this thing, now. Looks like they killed themselves. Classy. Saves me the effort. Where's Visari? I want to break that motherfucker's face myself. Or maybe that sick fuck Retta killed him for practice. Either way, they got what they deserved. Let's go collect their boss. Visari.
Scholar Visari! Scholar Visari, I'm placing you under arrest under Article 27.
And who are you, soldier?
Savchenko. Sergeant, first class.
They send a sergeant to take Visari? Are your commanders really all so afraid?
War's over, Visari. You lost.
Really, Sergeant? And who won? The cowards who commanded you and your comrades here to die? The Helghast have lost nothing. We fight for who we are. We wear our wounds like badges of honor. Helgen is ours, and we will die before we let it fall to plunder us. That is why your leaders dare not make a martyr of me. Your fleet burned, your friends butchered, and you become a hero for saving my life? Does that sound like a victory to you, Sergeant Savchenko?
Son of a bitch.
Good men have died, and I'll see you rot in a cell for it. You'll pay for what you've done!
For giving my people pride, purpose. We have built this great nation from nothing. Take me, and Helgen will dissolve into chaos. The ISA war machine, powerless against the sheer will of my people. We will choke the streets with our dead before we surrender. Your masters will beg me to restore order. You have not won. You will never...
Rico, no!
Madness. Madness begins.
Sergeant? Sergeant, what happened? Shit. Seth! God damn it! Ships? I thought First Wave took them all out! We're screwed! Oh man! I can't believe this! We need to get the fuck out of here! Move out! Move out! Report to your COs!
Come on, people! Let's go! Let's go!